Israel's final submission.
A rare interruption at the UN's highest court. A woman in the public gallery started shouting at Israel's legal team.
Liars! Liars!
The court quickly stopped its live transmission. It's a sign that more than 4 months into the genocide case, emotions are running high.
That concludes Israel's presentation.
For an hour and a half, Israel's legal advisors tried to discredit South Africa's arguments that the military's action in Gaza, specifically in Rafah, are the last step in the destruction of Gaza and Palestinian people.
South Africa purports to describe Rafah as a last refuge for civilians in Gaza. While many civilians have indeed evacuated to Rafah over the past few months, the fact remains that the city of Rafah also serves as a military stronghold for Hamas.
With less than half the team present, Israel's lawyers said they were surprised to be summoned to The Hague again. Since the case began earlier this year, Israel has urged the court to drop the matter.
Even by its very name, the application of the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide in the Gaza Strip suggests an inversion of reality. It has given rise to South Africa's egregious and repeated efforts to bring Israel before this court through the obscene exploitation of the most sacred convention.
The South African delegation says Israel's arguments didn't really counter its accusations of genocide.
What we heard today was not really an engagement on the facts. Some engagement on the facts, but not really rebutting what South Africa is trying to assert.
After Israel had finished its presentation, the judge from Germany asked how troops ensured the safety of people in what Israel calls evacuation zones. South Africa had described them as extermination zones. The court will make a decision on possible additional measures in the next few weeks. The main question now is if a majority of the 16 judges accept South Africa's argument that the situation has changed in Gaza and that Israel should not only be ordered to stop its military operation in Rafah, but withdraw from the Strip immediately. Although it can't enforce such an order, it would be a major step in this case and would increase international pressure on Israel. Vaessen, Al Jazeera, The Hague.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.